So guys, Nvidia has now entered the CPU market with its newly launched RTX Spark, which they announced on 1st of June 2026 in Computex, Taiwan. So RTX Spark is Nvidia's first consumer AI PC chip, which was built along with MediaTek, and it packs a 20-core Grace ARM CPU, a Blackwell GPU along with 6144 CUDA cores and 128 gigabytes of unified memory. So that means CPU and GPU are sharing the same memory pool, which results in no VRAM limit. So all are connected through the NVLink C2C 600 gigabyte per second, nearly 10 times faster than the traditional PCI Gen 5. Think like Apple's Silicon but with CUDA and full Nvidia software stack. So many of you guys may have heard about the DGX Spark, which was launched previous year. That was a AI supercomputer that is a complete separate product from this current RTX Spark, because DGX Spark is basically AI supercomputer for researchers and developers. It was way powerful but priced for professionals. So the architecture of both of these devices are similar, but the DGX Spark is mainly focused as an AI PC, a small desktop one, and the RTX Spark is mainly focused for laptops, has been specifically focused for creators and developers because it is now launched along with the Microsoft's Windows. So another thing which was covered in this event is Vera Rubin, which is Nvidia's next gen data center platform, which has custom Vera CPU, next gen NVLink, updated transformer engine, confidential computing, and a self-monitoring RAS engine. It has 1.5 times faster compute, twice the better efficiency, and 4 times higher rack density than the traditional x86 available now in the market. So major companies such as AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and Oracle are going to deploy it in the second half of 2026. So let me summarize the difference between the RTX Spark and the DGX Spark very quickly. The RTX Spark is basically for your desk or bag, you can carry it anywhere. But the DGX Spark is for lab and high-end computing. DGX Spark also has two QSFP ports, which can be used for multiple stacking of the same mini AI PCs together, which can be combined to run a trillion parameter model. But RTX Spark is focused for portability and efficiency, and the Vera Rubin is the platform for cloud. So now CPU, GPU interconnect and software stacks is now under the Nvidia's AI ecosystem, which will provide the entire AI computing layer. Follow me for more breakdowns like this. Thank you.